Hi, today I'm going to show you Sune COLLs. Let's divide these COLLs into three groups. So the first group has opposites here, second group has opposites here, and lastly we have opposites over here. Let's start with these two, where you have opposites here. So for this case you have opposites here, and for this case you have matching here. So for this one, where you have opposites here, you do the standard Sune algorithm, which goes A, U, A prime, U, A, U2, A prime. And for this one, where you have matching here, opposite here, you do this algorithm. F prime, A, U2, A prime, U2, A prime, F2, A, inverse sexy, F prime. Second group is where you have opposites on the back, like here. And for this one you have opposites here. And for this one you have matching here. So for this one, where you have opposites, you do A, U prime, L prime, U, A prime, U prime, L. It's easier to remember if you know this beginner method algorithm. So for this one, you have all edges solved and you have to permute corners. So this corner is in place, so you hold it over here, and what you do is U, and then you do this Sune COLL algorithm, and you solve all your corners. All you have to do is to rotate them. And for this one, where you have matching here, what you do is L prime, sexy move, L, and solve this with the variation. You have U2, A, U2, A prime. And finally, for these two, you have opposites over here. So for this case, you have opposites here, and for this case, you have matching here. So for this one with opposites, you do inverse and lefty version of this Sune COLL. So it goes like this: L prime, U2, L, U2, A, lefty inverse sexy, A prime. For this one, these two match. You hold from this angle and you do inverse of this winter variation, and then you cancel into this winter variation. For those who don't know, this winter variation has this kind of shape, and you have this corner facing to the left side. So what you do is sexy move and insert this pair normally. And for this winter variation, you have this kind of shape, this square and these two, and this corner is facing to the right. So what you want to do is A2, D, insert this pair into here with A prime, U prime, A, restore D prime and A2. So the whole algorithm goes like this: A, U, A prime, U, A, U prime, A, D, A prime, U prime, A, D prime, A2. Hope you learned something new today, and see you next time.